Guess who?
Welcome, everybody! It's nearly time for my annual Easter egg hunt! Collect as many kaleidoscopic eggs as you can, and whoever finds the most wins this giant chocolate bunny!
Wouldn't it be nice if we won, Woody? We could share the bunny with the twins.
Share? Oh, no. I've been training for months. I'm flying solo on this mission.
Fine, then you can take your overstuffed bunny friend to the movies next weekend.
You have 30 minutes. Oh, one more thing. If you find the gigantic egg I hid, it counts as 25 regular-sized ones. Let the games begin.
Got one. And another one.
Attention, egg people! 15 minutes to go!
I gotta find me that extra egg.
See ya! Attention! 10 minutes remaining!
We got this in the bag!
Look at all these eggs, babe! The bonus egg, baby!
Ooh.
This game's a lock!
Huh?
What's going on here?
Buzz, can you hear me?
Look, Veronica, we won!
Oh, yoy, the mother load! Huh? It's so light.
That's 'cause it's a balloon.
Huh? Huh? No! Oh, no! Scramble for the eggs!
Bye! Have a nice flight! Hey! You poached our eggs! You mean our eggs? Yeah, our eggs!
Say that again to my face, you
Why don't you pick on
flightless
someone
bird.
your own size? Why don't you take your new boyfriend and beat it like an egg?
Good one, babe.
Oh, bye, you little...
Don't mind me. I'm just cleaning up.
Oh, no, you don't.
Uh-oh. Huh? She's gonna blow!
Woody!
Well, you can't make an omelet without breaking a few eggs.
No, nobody'll get the chocolate.
Thanks a lot, Woody.
3, 2, 1! What happened?
Why don't you ask Woody?
The yolk is on all of you. Looky what I just found. I'm the winner.
Sorry, Woody, but that's not the egg I hid.
What are you talking about? Huh? What?
Mom!
Mommy!
Help!
You wanted the bunny all to yourself, remember?
Oh.
Mama! Mama! Anyone hungry? Well, happy Easter, everybody! Mama!